Bubbles the cat here, and today I'm going to be doing a reaction video. I'm going to be reacting to a fidget spinner. Ow, sorry. So, cameraman, Mama Fox Q, please spin it. Okay. Ooh, it's spin. What do you expect? I didn't honestly know. Ooh, let me have it. Let me have it. Don't eat it. Why would I? Ooh. I said don't eat it. What the? Hey! When a lawnmower goes off, it goes off in the middle of my video. Like, really? Really? Yes, thank you for my fidget spinner. You may leave now. Well, that's all the time I have for you guys today. I just wanted to react to this fidget spinner, so yeah. Bye! Ooh, fidget spinner.